welcome to Sugar's Delight. Today I'm going to make a homemade KFC chicken. For that, first we have to boil 2 bay leaves, half an onion, 1 dried red chili, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 4 to 5 cloves. We have to add the chicken. But before that, make a few nicks on 2 sides and put it in the steamer. Meanwhile, we have to prepare some coating. For that, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, tablespoons of corn flour, and mix it. After mixing it, it looks like this. Take 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of chili powder in the flour and the oats. Of salt, some salt, teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and mix it well. Just break 2 eggs in another bowl. Mix the yellow and white together. After mixing it, add a pinch of salt and some white pepper powder in it. Chicken is cooked. Smells great. I've taken out the chicken. Using this chicken stock, you can make chicken soup using some corn flour mixtures. Let the chicken cool down. The chicken has cooled down. Just coat it with the flour mix. The egg, and the oats. the chicken with the flour mix. The egg. You know, it's just like dressing. And the oats. If you don't have oats, you can also use poha. The chicken is coated. We have to fry it. I need my mom's help. The chicken is ready. I'm going to taste it. All my hard work was worthwhile. It's that tasty. Try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.